Hi, everyone, and thanks for checking in. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast for WeatherBug, which today is brought to you by Yokohama Tires, designed to drive smoother, perform better, and keep you safer and take you farther. It's not just any tire, it's Yokohama, and of course it's that time of the year when you start to have to kind of switch over to the winter driving skills, and new tires certainly will help out with that, so check it out. I'm actually in the market for some new tires, and I'll be checking out Yokohama. I got about 70,000 on the factory tires, so pretty good. And that's the first tire that I had on the vehicle that I currently own, but I'm in the market for some new ones at this point. More northeast rain, more northwest rain, and some warmer conditions in the central U.S. Look at the storm system still kicking out about 2 to 3 inches of rain or more in some spots through the northern New England states, kind of drying out over the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley with that weak wave. But then how about this? From Northern California to Oregon and Washington, some pretty decent amounts, especially along the coast and into the Cascades, looking at several inches of precipitation. So we have 1, 2, and 3 storm systems. This one is much weaker in comparison, basically fizzling out over the next 36 hours or so. So as that fizzles out, we do see this ridge of high pressure building over the central U.S., and by early next week, that is going to be situated over the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley in advance of this trough of low pressure, which is going to bring some much cooler air to the central U.S. and especially into the Midwest by the early and middle part of next week. So temperatures here today, anywhere from 10 to almost 15 degrees above average. We're a little cooler than average in Seattle and also cooler than average in the Northeast, with those temperatures again into the 50s and 60s. Still some pretty decent rainfall over the Northeast, but sunshine to the far south and also over the Central Plains.